MJBA is here to guide you through the intricate process of designing and constructing your project. Our firm offers a comprehensive suite of services spanning from initial concept development to the final construction phase. Our team is equipped to handle every aspect of your project, ensuring a seamless and efficient process because we believe that you and your ideas are our greatest source of information. We listen carefully to understand your needs, intentions, goals, and aspirations. Thus, we facilitate and assist you with creating a design that responds to your project needs with functional, aesthetically pleasing solutions that meet your specific needs and budget constraints. Our well-known specialty is building renovation, which spans all ages of buildings. We understand historical design standards, energy and handicap accessibility requirements, and building codes that pertain to existing buildings, and can provide you with numerous successful examples of our creative and functional design expertise. Our expertise lies in translating your vision into detailed drawings and plans that ensure a smooth construction process. By working closely with you, we can address any challenges that may arise and find innovative solutions to enhance the overall design. At MJBA, our most experienced staff is always involved with every project's management. We don't pass these very important responsibilities off to inexperienced staff. This enables you to make expedient decisions with confidence. We not only design and plan your project, but we also take on the role of project manager. This means we are there every step of the way, ensuring that your construction aligns with the initial design intent and meets our high standards of quality. At MJBA, we go beyond just creating blueprints. We provide valuable insights, expertise, and support throughout the entire project as well as post-project. Ultimately, hiring our firm is an investment in the success and quality of your project, ensuring that every aspect is carefully considered and executed to perfection. So when you choose to work with an architect, you're not just getting a designer, you're getting a partner dedicated to bringing your vision to life. Contact MJBA today.